Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. In today's classes, beta, we are going to start a new chapter in our GK classes. Okay, and the chapter is chapter number 42, and the chapter number 42 is martial arts in India. Okay. Chapter is number 42, martial arts in India. Martial arts in India. Let's start the chapter. Indian martial arts refer to the fighting system of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, Indian martial arts is a system of fighting system in Indian subcontinent. The oldest recorded unarmed fighting are known as Malla Yuddh. Okay, the oldest recorded recorded unarmed fight is what? Is Malla Yuddh. Malla Yuddh. Okay. The oldest recorded unarmed fight is Malla Yuddh, or also combat wrestling. Okay, or also combat wrestling. Okay, these are the oldest recorded unarmed fight system. Okay, beta. Now I hope you all clear. It is divided into 4 forms predating the Indo-Aryan migration. Dhanurveda, a section found in the Vedas, contains reference to martial arts. Okay, so Dhanurveda is a section found in the Vedas. Dhanurveda एक section है and we found it in Vedas. Okay, contains referring to martial arts, और इसमें martial arts के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें बताई गई हैं. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about some martial arts. Okay, who belongs from Indian continent, and the first martial art is Lathi. Okay, first first martial art is Lathi. Beta, you can see in this image, Lathi is an ancient armed martial art of India. Lathi बहुत ही ancient time से is a part of martial art. It is one of the world's oldest weapons. Okay, लाठी क्या है? वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डेस्ट वेपन है, यूज इन मार्शल आर्ट, जिसका यूज मार्शल आर्ट में किया जाता है. इट इज अ पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ रूरल एरिया. In India, there are so many rural areas, and in that places, this martial art, Lathi martial art, is more popular. Okay, so we can see this art in our rural areas. And now our second martial art is Mushti Yuddha. Second martial art is Mushti Yuddha. Okay, Mushti Yuddha is an unarmed martial art from the oldest city of India, Varanasi. Okay, so Mushti Yuddha is famous martial art is an unarmed martial art from the oldest city of India, Varanasi. Okay, so मुष्टि युद्ध कहाँ से पॉपुलर हुआ है? From our city Varanasi. Punches, kicks, knees and elbow strikes are used in it. Okay, so in Mushti Yuddha we use punch, kicks and also knees and elbows. Okay, it is complete art of physical, mental and spiritual development. Okay, so Mushti Yuddha is art who developed our physical, mental and also spiritual development. Okay, so I hope you all clear about Lathi and Mushti Yuddha. And now we are going to discuss about the next martial art, which is Gatka. The third martial art is Gatka. Okay, Gatka is a weapon based Indian martial art. Okay, and beta you can see in the image also, created by the Sikhs. ये मार्शल आर्ट क्रिएट किया गया किसके द्वारा? क्रिएटेड बाय सिख्स ऑफ पंजाब. वेपन यूज इन गटका. गटका में क्या होता है? वेपन्स का यूज होता है. यूज्ड इन गटका आर स्टिक, तलवार, किरपान एंड कटार. सो इन गटका दे यूज तलवार, कृपान and katar. And these are the weapons used in Gatka. The attacking and defense method are based on the position of the hands, feet and nature of weapons used. Sorry. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the next martial art, Thang Ta. The next martial art is Thang Ta. Okay, Thang Ta is popular term for the ancient Manipur martial art. Okay, Thang Ta is famous for which state? Yes, is famous for ancient Manipur state. It is also known as Hoen Lalong. Okay, we also known Thang Ta as Hoen Lalong. So the other name of Thang Ta is Hoen Lalong. Displayed with sword and spears, it is a strong yet graceful art. Okay, and beta now our next martial art is Kalaripayuttu. Okay, the next martial art is Kalari Payathu is a famous Indian martial art from Kerala. The fifth number martial art is Kalari Payathu. Okay, Kalari Payathu is famous Indian martial art from Kerala. Okay, so Kalari Payathu is famous in which state? In Kerala. Okay, it is one of the oldest fighting system in existence. It is practiced in most of the part of South India. Okay, so it is practiced in the most part of the South India. Kalari is the school of training hall where martial art are taught. So a Kalari is a school, okay, a school, the name of the school is Kalari, and in that school where martial arts are taught. वहाँ पर क्या कलरी में, कलरी स्कूल में क्या सिखाया जाता है? Martial arts. Okay, it includes tricks, kicks and some weapons based practices. Footwork pattern is most important in Kalari Payathu. Okay, so these are the main things which is important things in this martial art. Okay, and now our next martial art is Silambam. Okay, the next martial art number 6 is Silambam. Okay, Silambam is a weapon-based Indian martial art from Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Silambam is a famous from Tamil Nadu in ancient time. Okay, a wide variety of weapons are used in Silambam, some of which are not found anywhere else in the world. It also used animal movement of snakes, tiger, eagle forms, footwork pattern play a key role here as well. Another part of Silambam is Kattu Varisai, which is unarmed king of martial art. Okay. Okay, now our next martial art is Mardani Khel. The martial art number 7 is Mardani Khel. Wait a second. Mardani Khel. Mardani Khel is an armed method of martial art created by the Marathas. Okay, Mardani Khel martial art किसकी देन है? Created by Marathas. मराठाओं ने इस आर्ट को क्रिएट किया था. This traditional martial art of Maharashtra is practiced in Kolhapur. Okay, so ये martial art कहाँ famous है? In Maharashtra, is practiced in Kolhapur. Clear? Okay, and now the last martial art is Pari Khanda. The 8th number martial art is Pari Khanda. Okay, Pari Khanda is a style of sword and shield fighting. Parikhanda is a style of sword and shield fighting from Bihar. Okay, so it means Parikhanda is a famous martial art from Bihar state. This art was created by the Rajputs. ये आर्ट्स किसके द्वारा क्रिएट किए गए थे? These arts created by Rajputs. Okay. Parikhanda steps and technique are also used in Chow dance. Okay, so Parikhanda steps and techniques are also used in Chow dance. So I hope you all clear about all the martial art forms in our country, and they belongs to so many states. Okay, just like and better now here we are going to discuss about the martial art and the famous from which state. Okay, Lathi is famous for rural area of northern India. Okay, and Musti Yudh is Varanasi. Okay, and Gatka Punjab. Okay, created by Sikhs. And Thangka is famous in Manipur. Which state? Manipur. Clear? And the Kalaripayattu is famous in Kerala. And Silambam is famous in which state? In Tamil Nadu. Tamil. And Mardani Khel is famous in Maharashtra. Okay, and the last, Parikhanda is famous in which state of India? Yes, in Bihar. Parikhanda is famous in Bihar. Okay, so beta, I hope you all clear. Musti Yudh is from Varanasi. Gatka is famous in Punjab. Thangta is famous in Manipur state, and Kalipayuttu is famous in Kerala, and Silambam is famous in Tamil Nadu, and Mardani Khel is famous in Maharashtra, and the last martial art, which is Pari Khando, is famous in Bihar state. Okay. Now I hope you all clear about the chapter number 42. Okay, beta. So today our class is over. We will learn the next chapter in our next classes. Okay. So thank you, class.